Hello there, this is Matthew Hay, just showing off my Homework 5 Part 2 for 3D game. So first things first, we were tasked to window the building essentially. So as you can see, we have a 5 by 10 window pattern, and that was very simple to do. All you need to do is when you apply your window art onto a material, all you need to do is set the tiling to 5 by 10, and then on the window item you have its wrap mode be repeat, so it can repeat as many times as it needs to based on its tiling. So that was fairly simple, and of course it appears on all sides because nothing was changed there. Now when it comes to the doors, what will happen when we run the game, which I will show you in a build in a moment. Currently doors are appearing on all sides, including the bottom even, and they don't look that great. So how we change that, and let me open the code real quick. Sure. So basically how we change that is we got the UVs. Wait for it to load. So we grab the mesh filter, mesh, and then we generate UVs from our current mesh renderer and our current UVs, and so we can override those instead of making brand new ones and having to custom each one. So essentially what we did was apply automatically everything to those UVs, so that all we had to do is blank out the sides that we don't want. So what it'll actually do is just make it so that every single one looks like this. So the front three already look like it, and it's just when the back that becomes an issue. But because we grabbed the current one, it already applies it all. Once we do mesh.uv equals UVS, all we had to do is blank out and find the coordinates, of course, to blank out the back, the top, and the bottom. So when we run this code, it will blank out those sides, and so we'll have only the front, left, and right sides showing a door, and the other three sides not showing anything. I will launch it in here real quick just so I can prove that the door is not inside. See, it's blank here, and it's blank on the bottom. It's blank here, but we still have a door here, here, and here. So it works perfectly. So now I'll show you how this runs using the build. Open this guy up. Alright, so the controls, very simple, and you have two different options. So you can use WASD. W and S, of course, move the building up and down. Moves it nice and slowly up and down. And then S and D can rotate for you, so you can get around to all sides of the building and see all sides. So there's all sides here, from the bottom to the top. And the way I like doing it, because it's a little more smooth, is with the mouse. You can left click and then drag, so I can see all sides. Dragging, and then I can move up and down based on how far I drag. And then another feature to allow you to see the tops and the top and the bottom of the building. You hold right click and you press W to see the top, and you'll get a view of the top, and you can still rotate, of course. And then you do hold right click again and S, and it'll move you down to the bottom. You can see the bottom. So it'll allow you to see all sides of the building. And there you go. There you have it.